Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am J. Sanandran from AC. Today I am talking about former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a famous Prime Minister of India. He was born on 25th December 1994. He was a great Prime Minister of India. He was also a great
Good afternoon to all. My name is G. Ravi from AC. Today I talk about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India and he served from 1964 to 1966. He was simple, honest and a hard-working leader who was respected by the
Good afternoon to all. I am Escorista from ACC. Today I am going to talk about former Prime Minister of the India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh was an esteemed Indian economist and statesman who served as India's Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014. Celebrated as the Architecture of Indians 1991. Dr. Manmohan Singh was born on September 26.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் டி. திவ்ய பிரபா. நான் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு இ பிரிவு படிக்கின்றேன். இன்றைய தலைப்பு என்னை கவர்ந்த விடுதலை போராட்ட வீரர் மகாகவி பாரதியார். எழுத்துக்களின் மூலம் மக்களின் மனதில் விடுதலை உணர்வையும் நாட்டுப்பற்றையும் விதைக்க புரட்சி கவிஞர் தியாகி திருப்பூர் குமரன். நாட்டின் தேசிய கொடிகை ஆங்கிலேயரின் தடியடிகளிலிருந்து
அனைவருக்கும் மதிய வணக்கங்கள். என் பெயர் ஆர். ரோஷன் குமார். நான் படிக்கும் வகுப்பு 8ஆம் வகுப்பு இ பிரிவு படிக்கிறேன். நான் பேச போகிற தலைப்பு மகாத்மா காந்தி பற்றி வரிகள். மகாத்மா காந்தி ஒரு சிறந்த சுதந்திர போராட்ட வீரர். அவர் அக்டோபர் 2, 1869ஆம் ஆண்டு குஜராத்தில் மாநில போர்பந்தரில் பிறந்தார்.
Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Madhavan. I am studying 8th standard C section. Today I am talk about one moral story. Honest woodcutter. Once upon a day, a woodcutter is going to cut the wood inside of the river. He cutting the wood. Suddenly, the axe was sank into the river. He was crying. The angel was coming in front of him. The angel said, why are you crying, man? Woodcutter said, my axe was sank into water. Angel said, what is your axe? Wait a minute, I will take the axe. This is your axe. No. Next the angel takes the
Good afternoon to all. My name is Steven Machari. I am studying in 8th standard C section. And today I am going to talk about my favorite Indian mathematician, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great Indian mathematician. Aryabhatta was born in 476 AD. His birthplace was Bihar, India. He explained the value of pi. He explained the solar and lunar eclipse. He explained the value of 0. He is also called great Indian mathematician. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am Eskusta from ABC. Today I am talk about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was a astronaut. She was very bravest girl. She was born in Haryana. She loved flying planes. She studies very hard. She went to space with NASA. She went to space 2 times. She second trip was in 2003. Thank you.